How do you say yes in Portuguese? The word yes in Portuguese is sim. Sim. Sim, claro. Sim, claro. Yes, of course. Sim, quero ir. Sim, quero ir. Yes, I want to go. Sim, é verdade. Sim, é verdade. Yes, it's true. The word sim is pronounced like the word sing, but without the final G. Sing, sing. So it's a nasal sound. If you make it sound like a question, you can use sim as a way of saying really. Sim, sim. Sim, gosto disto. Sim, gosto disto. Yes, I like this. Sim, pode ajudar-me? Sim, pode ajudar-me? Yes, can you help me? Sim, estou pronto. Sim, estou pronto. Yes, I'm ready. So if you want to say yes in Portuguese, you can say sim. And if you want to learn to speak Portuguese, you can get my course 3-Minute Portuguese by going to www.3minlanguages.com. Use the code WELCOME at checkout for a discount. Obrigado!